that bridge was X amount of feet high. That's probably how high the rim is. Do I have any guesses? 623? Oh, that's a good guess.
So right here we have a hand wash station. It's very important that we wash our hands down here because noro can fly around a trip like this very, very fast. Does everyone know what norovirus is, or norovirus? So it's essentially, you get some particles that are contaminated on your hand, usually from poop, and then you touch something like food and it spreads around, and then somebody else eats that food and then they get really sick, and it takes about a day for everyone else on the trip to get really sick. It's just a lot of vomit, a lot of diarrhea. So this is the best way to defend against that, a lot of hand washing. So Mac's doing a great demo. He's scrubbing his hands, he's got soap on them, and then he's gonna go have some lunch. So the lunch setup is gonna be the same every day essentially. It might be sandwiches one day, it might be a wrap the next, but there'll be some sort of vessel to carry food with, like bread or a wrap, at the front, and then going back towards that blue ammo can, different condiments, meats, vegetables, things like that. Today we just have a deli Sammy. Training to run the pump on the air pump on the boat. Everybody having fun?
Oh yes, absolutely.
Oh, you got a message there. Everybody's having fun, right?
Yes, we are. I don't have my beard. Very worried.
How about you, John? Good times?
Fantastic, thank you. Yeah, absolutely.
Ron?
Very good to see you, Dave.
Good to see you.
Yes.
Great time.
Oh yeah.
Me too.
1, 2, 3, mark, set, go!
Go! Everybody having fun here?
Oh yeah.
I am too.
And then there's some runoff and stuff that feeds into it, but mostly the spring. here, the next rapid is called Unkar, which is the ancient Puebloan word for red. As you can see, there's red rocks everywhere.
So beautiful. Wow.
There is no dishwasher. Darn.
Oh, so how come there's 4 buckets?
We are the dishwasher. Jenny?
The first one is to wash off excess food. Just get the grunge off. The next one has soap and water.
And you got to look at this nice, good brown water. It's kind of suspect
Yeah,
tonight
don't
because
look
it
at the
has
water.
been clear.
It's right out of the
Previous
river.
water.
Yes.
So this one is soap and water. And I believe the one Sherry's rinsing in is sort of has a bleach solution in it.
Can't you tell the brown?
And then the clear mix.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you got it. Is that the? No, that's the trail that goes up.
Yeah. And I just closed it. I get away from
All of them are like sitting. Over here. I really want to.
My name is Eric Zernick, and I am from Cincinnati, Ohio.
I thought you were from Toledo.
Home since I don't know whatever to say for that.
Okay.
Home is where the heart is.
You're on the air in Toledo, right?
Yeah.
My name is Chris Olson, and I'm from Minneapolis, Minnesota.
I am Phil Seaman. I'm from Los Gatos, California.
Bill Ryder from Phoenix, Arizona.
Yeah. Good place to be from.
It's a good place to go too.
Yeah, that's true too.
Monty Ryder. My husband's walking up here with a cold one from Colorado. And we're from Phoenix, Arizona, and never have floated down this amazing river. It's been a great trip.
Indeed. There's Bill again. All right, you got the right idea.
Nice.
Yeah, I saw once the sun popped out. Yeah. Oh, sun.
Hi, I'm Tommy Seaman. I'm from Los Gatos, California.
There's a lot of family here.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, I'm Renee Olson. I'm from small town Minnesota.
Hi, I'm Lori Yorba from Juneau, Alaska.
And I'm Todd Olson. I'm from that same small town, Minnesota.
Hi, I'm June Stake and I'm from Taos, New Mexico.
Oh my God, double.
I'm Andrew Seaman. I'm from San Francisco, California.
I'm Eric Olson. I'm from Los Angeles, California.
Hi, I'm Seth Ogborn. I'm from Los Gatos, California, and I want to thank you for taking so much time in the bath.
Oh, that was my pleasure, believe me. But it was kind of cold after a while. So this is Lori.
There's no
Swamper, right? You're Swamper on this trip? Okay, and right behind her is Drew, the trip leader.
That was totally fake. I knew it's like, hey, that's Gibbon Falls. You know, it's like they're not going down there.
That's Cheyenne. Also, boat guide is Daniel.
Hello. That's David, our mechanic.
There's David.
Mechanic
He's our
David.
fifth crew member.
Who are you and where are you from?
I'm David, and I'm from Montana.
I'm the old guy. These two guys are my boys,
Oh.
and I taught them everything they know.
Well, and what's your name?
Rich.
From?
Yeah, from Montana. We're from the same place, yeah.
I think I knew that, but that's okay.
Freelance.
They're not super like into hitting the surface.
It doesn't look like this.
This is Mac.
Howdy.
Mac Swamper on Cheyenne's boat. Got a good crew here. Doing a good job feeding us well.
Your name, where you're from? Oh, Elle and Texas.
Texas, Dallas, right?
Yes.
EB, DC, and South Carolina.
Abby, DC.
Ben, V, Washington, D.C.
You know me.
This is
Jenny,
Jenny, yes.
Salt Lake City.
I'm Tony Yorba, and I'm from Juneau, Alaska, and Palm Desert, California.
Wow, both. Little contrast there, huh?
Yes, sir.
I'm Dave Wyatt, and I am from Phoenix, Arizona.
Cher Gilbert, Portland, Oregon.
Barbara Bouchel, Portland, Oregon.
Right. You guys got the right idea. Relax in the tent out of the sun.
Yeah, we're going to read our books.
Good.
Thank you, Dave.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, that's still a troubling moment for you.
Oh, are we on camera?
You are on camera.
David? I'm always at my best this hour of the morning.
Me too.
Aren't we all after
Yeah.
6 days on the river, 7 days? Daniel.
And then
David.
once we get to the helipad,
You guys ready to go? Get wet again?
Oh yeah.
Are you going to sit in the
Hey, the sun is out. That's what we're excited for.
I think there would be competition for the bathtub today.
Morning.
Good morning. Ready to get wet today?
Absolutely.
I'm ready.
Finally got some nice sun out
I
here.
know, it feels great, doesn't it?
Ready to go.
I'm excited to get sunburned.
Yeah, sunscreen, right? So
Yeah, gotta protect ourselves.
Yeah.
But yeah, barely
Good
a
day.
cloud in the sky.
Last day, best day.
yeah,
There you
last
go.
day, best day.
Get
I
that
totally agree.
Ready for lava.
Hey, EB,
How you doing, man?
good. How are you?
Awesome.
Yeah, Bill,
Hey, what's happening?
Bonnie.
Good morning.
Good
The
morning.
sun is shining.
It feels,
Last day, big
What
adventure.
is that big fireball in the sky? I haven't seen that thing in a while.
Oh, but it's getting hot.
Sun finally came out.
that's the first time we've been warm in a while, isn't it?
I'm excited. Excited for some sun
I am too. Sun, rapids,
in the
big-
bathtub.
You're taking the bathtub today.
I'll be right up front the entire day.
Hi, how are you this morning?
Good. How are you doing? Phil?
I'm doing wonderful. I'm here on this beautiful river, getting ready for a big day.
Got sunshine today, huh?
Yay!
Feels good.
And good Thursday morning, September 15th. You can see I'm all ready for the icebreaker.
The ice box.
The ice box.
That's okay.
So what do we have going today?
We're going to the ice box. So it's a very narrow canyon, and it's supposed to be kind of chilly in there because there's no sun. Yeah, and it's a big run. We're going to have some excitement. It's wet.
How's the ankle doing?
Well, it's wrapped up now, but the swelling is moving around. So
Pretty sore?
I now have a bruise on the bottom of my foot, which is interesting. So it's I really got jolted.
Hi.
This is Elle.
Hello.
Ready to get wet today?
Yes.
I am too.
Sun's out, so
yeah.
I'm happy about that. Got my phone.
We got sun today. It's our last big day, and everybody's happy. You could hear people laughing all morning long, so it's going to be a great day.
Yep.
Y'all, that's right. I always thought it's got various flavors too. There's your tea, Barbara. There's.
I'm Dave. I'm ready to go. This is day 7, I believe. Last full day on the river, and
We're headed for the ice box and lava falls.
yeah, ice box, lava falls today. Got good sunshine and warmth. Ready to go.
Okay, so right around the corner here is Doris Rapid, named after Norm Neville's wife. She always wanted to swim a rapid, and then she fell out and ended up swimming one of these on a trip, and so they named it after her. But the rumor goes that it wasn't actually this one, it was the next one. But whatever, you know. It's one of 2 named for women. The other one is Georgie Rapid, the one that we ran the first day.
Oh yeah.
This one won't be as spicy. And then there's 2 small riffles, or one of them's a rapid, but it's pretty small. And then Fishtail is going to be our big hit for one of our big hits for the morning. When it hits you, it's kind of like, it's heavier, so it's pushing through it is like pushing through mud. Like it
looks like that.
Yeah, with the oars you have to work so hard.
One time.
Here's Abby washing her hands.
You're on film.
This is how you do it.
All right. Sandwiches or wraps. Yay.
Move that foot going for us. Yep.
There we go. Get her going. Look at this beautiful water. The color of mud.
That I recall, it's the little fleeting things that last. Important things are usually small. Dreaming back through many years of both happiness and despair, the taste of salty tears, a caress on silken hair, laughter on a moonlight walk, over some silly little rhyme, time when there was no need to talk, a hand tucked snug in mine, a twinkle of mischief eye above the wrinkled nose, memory of a tender sigh, sweet breast that fell and rose. To the things that I recall, the sweetness and the pain, to some would matter not at all. They would think of worldly gain. Should someone ask, what have you done? What accomplishments are there to see? Why, I saw a boat a rapid run, and Maggie smiled at me.
This is our marker that we are 1 mile above lava falls.
Oh boy.
She's wild.
Oh boy. That does look wild.
Oh man. Oh man. Yeah, go on, go. There you go. Get that.
It says cat on it. I can't figure out what that is.
At 7:30. So we'll probably do coffee at like 5:15 to 5:30. And when coffee is called, just like the exchange day for y'all that were there, it'll be breakfast at the same time. So it won't be as lavish. It'll be bagels and cream cheese and some cereal and stuff.
The people I communicate with the most are my brothers and my mom and dad.
Exactly.
Look at like most major funds. I forget the exact percentage. It's been a while since I looked.
I do have a scar right there. I can say that's what it's from.
You know what?
It's the rubbing.
We should put a big tattoo there in honor of
Oh no.